Hi guys, if you want to change font size in File Explorer on Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To change the text size, first of all right click on the Start button and then go to Settings and then go to Accessibility and under the Vision section, click on Text Size. And now from here, you can increase or decrease the text size. Here you can see right now, my text size is set to minimum. If you want to increase the text size, simply click on the slider and drag it and increase it to whatever percentage you want. Let's say I want almost 200%. Here it is. Here you can see the text size preview, how it will look like. So once you select the text size from here, simply click on Apply button and the text size on your system will be changed. To check the File Explorer, simply right click on the Start button and then open the File Explorer, and you can see on the File Explorer the font size has changed. You can see. So when you change the font size from here, it will change the font size of entire system. Let's say I want to keep it 150%, so I will keep it 150. Here it is, and then click on Apply. And now the text is 150%. You can see, here it is. And in case, if you want to change the size of everything, text, icons, apps, then follow the next method. To change the size of everything, first of all right click on the Start button and then go to Settings and then go to System and then click on Display. And now under the Scale and Layout section, you will see the scale option. Simply click here. And now from here, you can select the size percentage. If you want to increase the size of everything, text, icons, apps, then from here, select any higher value. Let's say you want to make everything bigger. So select any higher value. Let's say 175%. And the size of everything will be changed. You can see everything is bigger now. Font, icons, even the apps. And when you open the File Explorer, you can see on the File Explorer, the text, icon, files and folder icons, everything is bigger now. Even on the desktop icon is bigger now. And again, if you want to keep everything in normal size, go to the setting again. And now from the scale option, click here, and from here, select whatever size you want. Let's say you want to keep it 150, so select 150, and the size of everything will be changed. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change font size in File Explorer on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.